Juliana, come here.
Wait, I know what you like.
Come here, big girl.
I know what you like.
It's funny how she changes, like within a few days, the way she changes.
Come on, baby. Come on, come see me. Yeah.
I know what you like.
Oh, brother's got a toy.
There you go.
Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Just like, wait a minute.
Hey, over here. Juliana, you know you can get it.
Let her get it, honey. She's going to get frustrated.
Almost there. Only right here. Only right there.
You almost got it. Come on.
You're so close. You're so close, Julie.
There you go.
Yay.
Yay.